Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 4, Orbit 1. I'm joined by Mr. Sober Analysis.
Steve Ogunjan Bafo.
I'm not.
Let me start by a congratulatory message. Congratulations to Amakosi Fen. Congratulations to Chairman Mr. Mutaung and his family. For bringing such a football here at FNB. Today we have witnessed a good football. I've predicted a 3-1. But it was ended in 4-1, of which Amakosi was in favor. But what I can tell you today, Stivo, it was a tactical battle. It was a tactical chess game whereby it was experience versus ambitions. Unfortunately, the Msonga boys goes home with 1 goal, having to prove themselves against a bigger team, which is a dark horse of this season, is Kaizer Chiefs. But what I can tell you, that Kaizer Chiefs, if it's going to continue playing like that, it's going to terrorize a lot of big teams. I'm counting this one. I'm counting this one. I'm involving this one and Gabriel. So Stivo, Kaizer Chiefs is playing very well. Kaizer Chiefs create chances. It's just that when they miss chances, the fans are not patient. But if should the fans be at calm, Kaizer Chiefs is going to bring them good result this season. I'm telling you, Chiefs is going far. Top 3, I'm counting Mamelodi Sundowns, counting Orlando Pirates, I'm counting Kaizer Chiefs. Ngifuna ukukhuluma manje Stivo with my man of the match so that ngivale because yabayezwa abafuna ukukhuluma, they want to express themselves. This is their podium, this is their home game. I'm a Orlando Pirates fan, but I'm just judging the game. Uvele bayiqoka jersey number 1 ku Chiefs. Beyiqoka ubani i-dribbling wizard ebuya eMamelodi uJojelebesi ningamkhohlwa. Bekaqoka le jersey number ine magic. Uvele bayuphethe magic. Ramahlo Mphahlele ayibafana batla moroba tjaka dieta. I think Hugo Bruce must revoke his call-up. That Velebai deserves to be on a list of Hugo Bruce. He's a great man. He's a dribbling wizard. He's gonna do more. Go careful. Uzobabulalo Velebai. Uzobaroba tjaka di boot. Uzobaroba tjaka di kampani. Ka o botsa.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their CIRA identification card?